This is our AFM Raman setup. So here we have our Raman spectrometer, and here is our AFM. So we have the laser coming in. It goes through the microscope, through this 50x objective, and we have here this MV2000 where we slide it beneath the objective. Here we have the controllers. So we have one for the scanner, for the lower scanner, and for the upper scanner. This is where the tip is. This is where the sample is. So a lock-in is like in a regular way that we do lock-in for AFM probe. We're going to focus onto the area of the resonance. Then we're going to set the frequency at the highest magnitude, do auto phase. Then we're going to sweep the phase, set the frequency where it's 0, and then we're going to set the error to about 0.3 and approach. So now we're going to approach. And now the tip hit the sample, but it didn't hit it exactly in the center. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the upper high voltage piezo manually to move the tip. So we're going to use the X and Y knobs there, and we're going to move the tip to the center. Now we are in feedback, but you can do that when we're in feedback. You can use the offset mode when we're in feedback. So now we want to make sure that the laser is also going to hit exactly in the center. So this way the tip and the laser are going to be exactly the same focus point. Now also we want to reduce the intensity of the laser because we don't want it to harm the tip. So we'll put the intensity a little bit lower. So now what we want to do is first to take a quick AFM scan just to make sure that this is the area where we want to scan, that the PID gains are set correctly, slope compensation, set point, and then after we do our first initial couple lines of AFM, then we're ready to do the integration together with the Raman. So we'll switch the camera back so we can look at the sample just for the convenience, and then we'll start the scan. So now we're starting to scan. Regular AFM scan. And we see that we have to correct the slope, so we're going to do that. And then of course we can also play with some more parameters, increase the set point, play with the PID gains. We don't have to do a total scan, we can stop the scan after a few lines. And now we're ready for the integration with the Raman.